Tomorrow, the man accused of 3 stabbings in Davis will be in court. Attorneys will begin debating the mental well-being of Carlos Dominguez. Good evening. I'm Brittany Hope.
And I'm Andrea Flores. The murder case against the 21-year-old cannot move forward in a Yolo County court unless a jury finds that he is mentally competent to understand what's happening in court. KCRA 3's Lizamy Tree spoke with a legal expert about the process.
Since Carlos Dominguez's own attorney raised concerns over his mental health in May,
Your Honor, it is my firm opinion that my client is not mentally competent.
Now, before the accused killer could face a criminal trial in Yolo County Superior Court, he'll first face a competency trial starting tomorrow. Legal expert Mark Reichel explains.
Doesn't mean that you're not guilty because you're insane. It means you can't understand the process. So going forward in America, obviously it's part of due process. It's part of the Sixth Amendment right to a fair trial.
The 21-year-old former UC Davis student is charged with murder for the April stabbings of Davis resident David Breaux and UC Davis student Karim Abu Najem. And he's charged with attempted murder for the May 1st attack on Kimberly Guillory. Reichel says the burden of proof will be on the defense to convince a jury Dominguez is not mentally fit to go to trial for those crimes. In June,
the doctor's conclusion is that the defendant is not competent.
a court-appointed doctor found Dominguez was not competent, but in this week's trial, the defense and prosecutors will get to bring in their own experts to weigh in before the jury decides.
But you have to have a complete jury. They have to 100%, all 12, have to be unanimous that they find the person either not competent or competent. If they don't, it's a hung jury and you do it again.
If they do agree, then there are 2 possible outcomes. They find he is competent and the murder case picks up where it left off in court, or they find he is not competent and he could be sent to a hospital to get treatment until he is.
It may be a mental health issue that responds well to treatment, which could include medicine, which could include therapy and so forth. That's what you're going to get.
Reichel says there are instances where after trying that for a while with no change, it could lead to a so-called Murphy's conservatorship. That's where someone who's determined to be dangerous could be placed in a state hospital or a psychiatric treatment facility involuntarily. Lizamy Tree, KCRA 3 News.
The trial is scheduled to start tomorrow at 9 a.m. at the Yolo County Superior Courthouse with jury selection, and it's expected to last about 3 days.